A&W to try their new smash burgers. That's what we're having for dinner tonight. And look at Rob over here. He's having a cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, lovey. So, Robert got onion rings. I got the fries. And then this one is mine, I think.
No, that one is.
This one, the smash burger. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, you can see what it looks like right there. It's got pickles and cheese.
Yeah, mine.
We'll have to let you know how they go. We're here for Robert's birthday. Here at Denny's.
Hello,
You got
everybody.
the all-Canadian slam.
Hello, everybody.
And I got the maritime slam. It's supposed to be lobster, but look how tiny bit. It's the tiny little bit of lobster you get.
Wow.
And I guess it comes with fruit, I didn't know. So my darling, here is my birthday cake I made for hubby. For his birthday, for June 6, 2026. It's actually the birthday cake I used to get growing up. I can't give you it's like a secret recipe, but it's lemon filled. Anyways, made it for hubby. He's the best husband in the world. I love him so much. And I'm not the best cake maker, but this is his cake. So I hope he'll enjoy it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rob. Happy birthday to you and many more.
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Blow it out.
Love you.
Love you too. Here's Rob's first cucumber, funny looking cucumber of the season of 2026 that he grew. I'm going to try to make this into like a cucumber salad. So here's my cucumber salad. I ended up making my own little dressing with some sour cream. I got a little dip from like the Pizza Hut that was like roasted garlic. I put one of those in the sour cream, mixed it up. Pepper, salt, a little bit of basil, a little bit of paprika, and then I put a little bit of white vinegar in there. So yeah, and I'm just going to put it in the fridge now to get cold. Good. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Breakfast for dinner. We did some eggs, bacon, tater tots, and a slice of toast. Good. Hope you're all having a great night and eating something awesome as well. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. One of my favorite meals is tortellini pasta, and I made the tomato sauce, and we're having it with a bun. Just a quick and easy meal. Good. Hubby got another free DQ Blizzard cake for free. As you can see, they go for $42.99, and he got it for free. Here it is here. That's so amazing. You can't. It's very hard to get anything free nowadays, but he uses his Dairy Queen points to get this, and I guess he says it took him like 2 years to make up the points to get this for free, but still, hey, this is a cocoa brownie extreme blizzard cake, and you get to choose what kind of blizzard cake you want. But Look at that. Isn't that just amazing? I think it is. Thank you. Thank you, my love. That's awesome. Look at this sunset, my darlings. Oh, it's gorgeous. My camera's not doing it justice. Looks like cotton candy skies. Just lovely.